Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and this is a watch that apparently I ordered 9 months ago. Actually, I did forget about the watch. Just like got the email that it was coming to me, and I didn't realize it's been 9 months. So yeah, I don't think I'll be doing that again. That is pre-ordering a watch that's 9 months out. But let's see if it's worth the wait here. Just gonna pull this off to the side. It still has my address on it, so let's just cut it apart here. Cut the tape, I should say, and hopefully it'll come right out. It's kind of a neat box. Looks like it's purpose made for this box here. It's kind of folds apart like origami and has the foam in here, so kind of neat packaging there. Okay, let's see if it has. Oh, cool. Cardboard outer box, and this is feels like a cork box. That's pretty neat. I guess it doesn't have any of my other information in here. Yeah, very cool. So maybe it's worth the wait. I don't know. My collection's a lot different than it was 9 months ago, so I don't even know if I have room for this watch in the collection. And you know, it's a little smaller than I thought it would be too. Just looking at it here for the first time. I don't even remember the specs. The size of the watch that is. This is my first watch from Baltic, and my first and only watch with a micro rotor, which I will show you here in a moment. So I know there was 3 colors for this. There's the salmon, there's silver, and then there's blue. So obviously it looks like I went with the salmon. I couldn't even remember what color I went with. Is this an acrylic crystal? Might be an acrylic crystal. Feels warm, so yeah, I'm going to say it's acrylic. Okay, so that movement is very cool. I'm pretty sure it's a Chinese movement. The Hangzhou movement, perhaps. I'm just going off of memory here. I don't know. I don't know if this is going to stay in the collection or not. See, did it come to life yet? Looks like not. The box is cool though. I do like this cork box. Okay, there we go. It's moving now. Let's take a look at the case back here. I really like looking at decorated movements. You know, the hand winding movements are the best to look at because you can see more of the movement versus having a large rotor. So the micro rotor is kind of the best of both worlds. You get the automatic movement, but then you can also get a better look at the movement here. See if we can read this. You know, let me zoom in. I have zoom on this, so I might as well use it. Alright, very cool. Let me get this on wrist and then we'll close out the video. So it's just a screwed in case back. Not necessarily a screw down case back, but it's a dress watch, so not really a big deal. And then here's a closer look at the dial. Okay, there we go. Now we're focused. So it's got kind of a textured dial to it. And then applied indices. Okay, let's put this on wrist. Leather feels pretty thin, but the watch itself is thin as well, which you can't really see. There we go. And drilled lugs. Drilled lugs are kind of interesting, seeing as how it's a dress watch. Come on, get in there. There we go. So I have a 6.5-inch wrist. Again, I forgot the dimensions of this watch, but it's pretty small. I would say maybe even 36, and it's got a thick bezel to it too. So let me zoom out here a little bit. A little bit too small for my preference, I think. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it, and really helps me out a lot as well. All right, well, I appreciate some of your feedback in the comment section there. Let me know what you think of this watch, and also if you would wait 9 months for a watch. I seriously forgot about it. So, at least glad that they shipped it. All right, that will conclude this video. As always, thank you for your time, and thank you for watching.